Today I'm showing you portrait prompts that actually have a story to tell. Victory, memory, and belonging. Each one's designed for your photo. Full prompts on screen, pause if you need to. Let's start with the Oscar.
All right, this one's special. We're talking Annie Leibovitz meets Caravaggio. Dramatic chiaroscuro lighting. The kind of portrait that ends up on Vanity Fair covers. The subject's holding an Oscar, but here's the genius part. It's not about the award itself, it's about that quiet moment after the ceremony, when everyone's left, the theater's empty, and you're finally alone with what you've won. The prompt specifies a worn director's chair, subtle wrinkles in the evening wear, eyes slightly downcast, exhaustion and joy at the same time. Lighting is single source, camera left at 45 degrees, creating that classic Rembrandt triangle on the shadowed cheek. Background is pitch black, with just faint amber bokeh from distant theater lights. And the technical specs? Medium format film simulation, Hasselblad 500 cm 80mm lens. Skin shows pores, imperfections, actual human texture. This isn't polished AI gloss, it's vulnerable, intimate, the kind of portrait that makes you pause. If you're screenshotting, do it now. Now this one plays with scale and memory. A vintage brass camera in hand, but the real magic's coming out of that lens. A floating glass cube with an entire city inside. Pick any city, Paris, Tokyo, New York. The landmarks are miniature but crystal clear, glowing warm from within, casting reflections on the subject's face. As you might guess, I've tried different image generators for this one. My warm suggestion, Nano Banana 2, available free in Gemini. Handles glass refractions and miniature details way better than the rest. There's even a little metallic nameplate at the base, like holding a memory you can turn in your hands. Screenshot ready, next one's coming. Quick pause. These aren't paste and pray prompts. Each one's built around an emotion, victory, memory, belonging. Upload your photo for each, that's where the magic happens. All right, let's finish the set. Last one's called Contours of Heritage, and this is where it gets poetic. A 3D topographic map of any country, but the terrain itself is painted with the flag colors. Mountains, valleys, all textured into the landscape. Large 3D landmarks rise from the map's surface, oversized, instantly recognizable, casting realistic shadows. Think Eiffel Tower, pyramids, whatever defines that country. Then there's the person's head, semi-transparent, woven directly into the map like a double exposure. No body, no shoulders, just the face following the contour lines. You and the country become the same visual element. It's not just a portrait anymore, it's a statement about belonging. Warm, neutral background, travel poster aesthetic, isometric perspective for that depth. This one's about identity meeting geography. That's the set. 3 prompts, 3 different moods. Pick your favorite, make it yours.